Welcome to my channel. Today I'm design CK letter logo. Go to diamond tool, for take a diamond shape. Off this fill color and increase the stroke size. Go to pen tool, for draw a line shape. Then take a rectangle shape for equal the shape spacing. Copy this line shape. Then rotate it vertically. Copy another one. Checking spacing. Select all stroke. And expand it. Delete it. Watch it attentively. Logo is complete, but we need to apply the perfect colors. Yes, we are able to find the perfect color. Now last step to write the logo tagline. We choose font for this logo, Montserrat. Here is our final logo design. Thanks for watching. And connected with us.